Hi everybody. I first of all wanted to tell you I'm going to try to link just a picture of this. If you have a printer and you would like to print this out and get your notes started rather than writing this all out, or you can just write it all out. That's fine too. Um, but there's the opportunity for you just to have these guided notes ready. Um, and so what we're working on is simplifying rational expressions. Now, rational expressions, let's define those first. A rational expression is a blank of two polynomial expressions. It's a ratio. Ratio means a fraction, like a fraction, of two polynomial expressions. When we simplify rational expressions, we try to cancel out common factors from the numerator and the denominator, just like we do with fractions. So, just for example, when we simplify a fraction like 21 over 28, we can write the fraction 21 is 7 times 3, 28 is 7 times 4. We can cancel out those 7s. 7 over 7 is 1. 1 times 3/4 is 3/4. So 21/28 in simplified form is 3/4. All right. So it's the same concept. We try to, see how we split 21 into 7 times 3 and 7 times 4, and if they have something in common, you just cancel it out. That's what we want to do here too. So, we did the factoring unit just so we could do problems like this, because we want to be able to factor this. And I have 2z times z plus 5 times z squared plus 2z minus 8. All of that is over z squared plus 4z minus 5 times z minus 2. If that doesn't show up on the picture I took, you will need to get that written down. And so as I go through this, I want to try to factor this, and I want to factor this and see what happens when we do that. So z squared plus 2z minus 8. I need two factors. I need that will multiply to negative 8 times 1, or negative 8, and they need to add to 2. Now 4 times 2 is 8. I think that'll work for us if I do 4 and negative 2. 4 plus negative 2 is 2. 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. So I'm just right now kind of over to the side factoring z squared plus 2z plus 8. So I got z squared plus 4z minus 2z. I wrote x, didn't I? Oops. Minus 2z minus 8. Now, z is in both these. So let's write z and write z plus 4 here. These are both negative. Let's take a negative, and 2 goes into 2 and 8. So negative 2, and then I have z, and then negative 2 times positive 4 makes negative 8. So we're looking at z minus 2, that's the two front coefficients there, times z plus 4, that's the common part there. So I'm going to rewrite the numerator as 2z times z plus 5, and z squared plus 2z minus 8 I'm writing as z minus 2 and z plus 4. I think we're about as factored as we're going to make that numerator. The denominator, I think we could do something with that. Okay, what multiplies negative 5 times 1? What multiplies to negative 5 and adds to 4? Well, 5 times 1 is 5. I'm going to make that negative 1. And so we are looking at z squared plus 5z minus 1z plus 4. No. 1z minus 5. Okay? I'm up here. And that's z times z plus 5. And then let's take that negative 1 here and go times z plus 5. And I have down here that is z minus 1 times z plus 5. When we factor z squared plus 4z minus 5, we get z minus 1 times z plus 5. I still have this z minus 2 here. And now it's time to cancel out. Everything's factored. Cancel out common factors from the numerator and denominator. The z plus 5s will go. The z minus 2s will go. And what do we have left? We have 2z times z plus 4 over z minus 1. So there's the simplified version, and that's example 1. I'm going to do examples 2 and 3 on the next video.